Hello, hello kids, welcome back to your phonics class. Today we are going to see the long E sound, okay? Long E sound. Remember we have short and long E sound. So we have, for the short E sound, we have an example like bed and net, okay? As you can see, we only have one letter, one vowel, okay? One vowel. We have the E, bed and net. They are short, okay? And then we have the long E sound, like tree and seal. As you can see, we have two vowels, E and EA, okay? So again, we have the short sound, bed, net. Then we have tree and seal for the long sound. So open your book to page 229. Page 229. So we have the long E. We're going to read it together and you will see some sounds of the long E. Green trees, green trees, green trees. They give us wood and things to eat. Branches hold our swing's fine seat. We think trees are really neat. So these words, like you see in bold, are long E sound, okay? So let's continue on the next page, on page 230. Next page, okay? Page 230. So we have the instructions. Say the name of the picture in each row. Circle, you're going to circle the pictures with names that have the long E sound. So you're going to circle the pictures that have the long E sound. So we have number 1. We have a game, tree, bean, and bed. Does game have the long E sound? No, right? So we do not circle. Tree. Does it have the long E sound? Yes, so you're going to circle it. Good. Then we have bean. Does it have the long E sound? Yes, so you're going to circle, okay? You're going to circle the bean too. Circle bean. Bed. Bed has the long E sound? No, right? So you do not circle. Number 2, we have tube. Tube does it have the long E sound? No, it has the U. Okay, so we do not circle. Then we have tie. Tie. Long E sound? No, so we do not circle it. Then we have, what is this? It is a wheel. Wheel. Does it have the long E sound? Yes, so you circle it. Then we have, what number is this? 3. 3. Does it have the long E sound? Yes, so you're going to circle it. Good. Let's continue. Number 3. This wheat. Wheat. Does it have the long E sound? Yes, okay, so you circle the wheat. Then we have this. It grows on trees. It is leaf. Leaf. Does it have the long E sound? Yes, so you're going to circle it. Okay. Then we have man. Man. Does it have the long E sound? No, right? So we do not circle. Then what is this? Cheese. Cheese. Does it have the long E sound? Yes, so you circle it. Now we're going to continue with number 4. What is this? It is a boat, okay? Boat. Does it have the long E sound? No, good. So we do not circle it. What animal is this? It is a seal. Seal. So does it make the long E sound? Yes, so you circle it. Now, next one. Reap. Reap. Does it have the long E sound? No. Box. Box. Does it have a long E sound? No. Good. Number 5. What is this? Any idea? It is meat. Meat. Does it have a long E sound? Yes, so you're going to circle it. Then we have this. Any idea what is it? Beads. Beads. Does it have the long E sound? Yes, so you're also going to circle it. What is that? What is this? Cat. Cat. Does it have the long E sound? No, okay, so you don't circle it. What is this? You wear them. It's jeans. Jeans. Does it have the long E sound? Yes, okay, so you're going to circle it. Okay. Almost the last one. Number 6. What is this? Any idea? It's not a rope, okay? It is a leash. Leash. Does it have the long E sound? Yes, so you circle it. Next picture. Goose. Goose. Does it have the long E sound? No, good. Then we have axe. Axe. Does it have the long E sound? No, so we don't circle it either. The last picture. Feet. Feet. Does it have the long E sound? Yes, okay, so you're going to circle it. Good. Let's continue on the next page, 231, okay? Page 231. Okay, so we have the letters EA can stand for the long E sound, okay? So, entonces la letra EA pueden hacer el sonido largo de la E. Say the name of the picture. Print EA in the middle of the word if it has the long E sound. Trace the word. So we have the first picture is a leave. Leave. It has EA and it makes the long E sound. Tiene EA y hacen el sonido largo de la E. Good. So we have the first picture. Any idea what is the first picture? It is bean. Bean. Does it have the long E sound? Yes, okay. So you're going to write EA. Good. Then we have number 2. Any idea what is this picture? For example, the soccer, baseball, basketball, team. Team. Does it have the long E sound? Yes, so you write EA. Let's continue. 3. Suit. Suit. Does it have the long E sound? No, so we do not write anything. Number 4. Remember what is this? Meat. Meat. It has the long E sound, so we write EA. Number 5. What is this of the animal? It's not the bird. It's this little part in yellow. What is it? It is beak. Beak, okay? Beak. Does it have the long E sound? Yes, so you're going to write EA. Continuing with number 6. Remember this animal? What is it? It's a seal. Seal. Does it have a long E sound? Yes, so you write E-A. Good. Number 7. What is this? We need this sometimes. It is the rain. Rain. Does it have the long E sound? No. Okay, so we do not write anything. Number 8. What is this picture? It is wheat. Do you remember, does it make the long E sound? Yes, so you're going to write E-A. Good. Number 9. Seat. Seat. Does it have the long E sound? Yes, so you're going to write E-A. Then we have, this is a fruit, and it's a peach. Peach. Does it have the long E sound? Yes. Number 11, goat. Goat. Does it make the long E sound? No, right? So we did not write anything. Good. We're almost finishing. We're going to the last page from the video. Page 232. Page 232. And we have the instructions. The letters EE can stand for the long E sound. Say the name of the picture. Print EE if it has the long E sound. So we have 3. And we have EE. The 2E make the long E sound. Entonces las dos E hacen el sonido largo de la E. So EE, tree. So we have the first picture. You walk with your, yes, with your feet. And it is double E. Number 2. It is a coat. Coat. Does it have a long E sound? No, right? So we do not write anything, okay? Number 3. Again, rain. Rain. Does it have a long E sound? No, right? So you don't write anything. Number 4. It's not the shoe, okay? It's not the shoe. It is this part of the shoe, el taconcito. So what do you call that part? You call it heel. Heel. Does it make the long E sound? Yes. Okay, so you write double E. Number 5. So we have a watermelon. But these little things in black, what are they? What are they? It is a seed. Seed. Does it make the long E sound? Yes, so you're going to write E-E. Good. Continuing with number 6. What insect is this? It makes honey. It is the bee. Bee. Does it make the long E sound? Yes, so you write double E. Continuing with number 7. What is this? It is the male. Male. Does it have the long E sound? No, right? Good. Continuing with number 8. Green. Green. Does it have the long E sound? Yes. Okay. So you write double E. Number 9. Wheel. Wheel. Does it make the long E sound? Yes. So you write double E. This color, what color is this? Blue, right? Does it make the long E sound? No, so you don't write anything. Number 11. What do you do in the night? Every day. You sleep. Sleep. Does it make the long E sound? Yes. So you're going to write double E. So good. We finished our page. Now you're going to work by yourself on page 233 and 234. Ahora solitos me van a trabajar en la página 233 y 234. So see you next time.